Shifting gears into display advertising, I like to first touch on retargeting, which is really the backbone to digital advertising. Retargeting is a tactic that we actually use across all of our platform, even outside of display advertising, as it's proven to be one of the most effective tactics across digital advertising. How retargeting works is it starts when a person visits your website. Now, that person will spend some time on your website browsing through the content, but for whatever reason, they'll eventually leave to visit other websites. Retargeting is the process where we place your ads on the sites that person visits after they leave your website with the goal of driving them back to your website. Retargeting is especially valuable in the sense that it drives frequency. The idea is that the more times a person sees your ad, the more likely they are to click on that ad. The more times they go to your website because they clicked on that ad, the more engaged they become with your content, your products, and your services, which increases the likelihood of that visitor converting from a website user into a customer. In display advertising, we also utilize contextual keyword targeting, which is utilized by using specific content within a page to reach an individual. By using these lists of keywords and phrases, we can serve ads to specific websites based on those keyword matches. How this works is the exchanges analyze the content of each web page to determine the theme of that website, then matches your ads to that page by using the campaign keywords that you have curated. Now, this allows us to keep your ads very relevant to the user and increasing the likelihood of conversions because we're reaching a person that is already engaging in the same content as your ad is. Now, next, very similar to the approach in keyword targeting, we utilize behavioral targeting, which is where we use a person's previous web browsing history and online activities. We then serve that individual ads that are relevant to those online behaviors. This data is captured and compiled based on search terms that that individual is using, the websites that they visit, the online purchases they make, the websites they spend time on and the videos they watch, and ultimately all the content that they consume online. Now, this too allows us to keep our ads very relevant to the user, increasing the likelihood of conversions because we're reaching that person on topics that they've already expressed interest in. Now, lastly, in our display capabilities, there's the use of our managed networks. These are simply organized website lists that are each designated to reach a certain interest or demographic group. These networks are hand-selected, curated lists where your ads are going to strictly run on the sites provided on that list. Our networks have national to international reach, and it also ensures that we reach the demographic we want while cutting the risk of delivering your ads to the irrelevant audiences out there. A few examples of our networks include Home Improvement Network, the Upscale Woman Network, the Affluent Buyer Network, Arts and Upscale Entertainment, Extreme Sports, Health and Wellness, as well as hundreds more. And if there is a network that you're looking for that we don't provide, we can create one for you.